Want to create 3D animated story videos with free AI tools? Watch till the end and follow along. There is a legend whispered by the wind, deep within the valley of Zuna, a place where the broken are made whole and the ugly become beautiful. But be warned, the path to perfection is a trap. Sometimes, the things we run from are the only things that make us real. This is the story of Aurelia. Aurelia was the jewel of her village, graceful, admired, untouched by doubt, they believed. But she lived behind a golden mask, not worn for pride, but for fear. Beneath it lay a scar she believed ruined her. Ashamed of being seen, she crossed the forbidden boundary, seeking the sanctuary, not for riches, but to erase herself. Within the eternal bloom, she met Kale, the guardian. Strong, kind, flawlessly beautiful. He looked at her with devotion, not questions. For days they wandered together, and for the first time, Aurelia felt love. Still, she kept the mask tight. She feared that if it fell, so would his affection. Then the sanctuary demanded its price. Night descended. Shadows stirred. From the darkness rose the beast, forged of smoke and stone. It fed on fear. Kale fought bravely, but his blade passed through it. Powerless, the creature turned to Aurelia, and then she saw it. A glowing golden crack across the beast's face, exactly where her own scar lay. This was no monster. This was her shame, given form. Aurelia did not run. She did not fight. She let the mask fall. She faced the beast and accepted it. The darkness shattered, dissolving into golden light. At dawn, Kale faded, revealing the truth. He was perfection itself, an illusion. Aurelia returned home, unmasked, for she had learned the sanctuary's truth. Perfection suffocates the soul. True beauty shines through our cracks. To get started, you'll need just a smartphone, a video editor app, an AI chat tool, an AI image generator, and an image-to-video AI. A full step-by-step guide is in the video description. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.